This is the best quality of speaker. This is the best quality of speaker. This is Sony speaker. This speaker making noise. Let's go to check why it's make noise. Look, the spider and the coil. The spider broken ready. The spider broken ready from the coil. The spider has spoiled ready, and I need to open first. We have to open the paper very carefully because the paper cannot buy from the local market. We can buy the local paper, but this paper quality is very good. For this case, we have to open this paper carefully. Look, the cockroach. Need to block this magnet hole first. Need to block the magnet hole. I am using the tissue to blocking the magnet hole, otherwise the dust can go inside the magnet hole, then the coil cannot move nicely. This one is not iron. Always block the magnet hole, otherwise if dust go inside, then the speaker will make noise. To clean the speaker nicely. I am opening the coil from the speaker body. This is four layer coil. Sony speaker made in Malaysia. Very good quality speaker. Four layer coil. The coil is okay, paper also okay. Only problem in the spider. Let's take out the tissue. Now taking out the tissue, must have to clean using brush. Four layer coil. The magnet hole for 4 layer coil. We have to open the cap to fix the spider. We have to open the cap to measure the coil and the body. I am opening the paper cap very carefully. I am opening the cap. This cap can buy from the market, but the cap will be black. This cap is the color silver color, but market one is the black. Have to opening nicely. Be carefully of the paper and the coil. Open ready. Maybe I cannot use the cap. I have to change the cap also. The coil is okay, paper also okay. Need to cut the glue whose glue was in the spider. Need to clear this glue. This spider has broken. Now this is the new spider. This is new spider. I have to fix the spider here. This spider will be here. The spider size is for this speaker. I clean the glue from here. Before here was the glue, now all clear. This is the plastic paper to make measure between coil and the body. Need 4 paper to make measure. Always have to follow the measurement. If the measurement displays, then the speaker cannot work nicely. Always use 4 paper. Always use 4 paper. Some people use 6 paper also. I always use 4. Now I need to put the glue between a spider and the coil. I am going to using glue between a spider and coil. We need 5 minutes glue. It's called allied glue for the speaker. This glue only for the speaker. We cannot use dendrite or the solution glue here, because here need a heavy duty glue. This is that glue. Here I have 2 tube. I have to mix. Nicely. I am mixing the glue. This glue will take 5 minutes to dry. Only 5 minutes to dry. Also I have 24 hours glue, but I have no time. I am putting the glue between spider and coil. Put the glue very nicely. The glue will dry within 5 minutes. we need 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will fix another things. We have another 3 speakers, same problem. Okay, after 10 minutes later I am showing 2 of them. Another 2 speaker I will repair later. The spider and the coil fixed ready. Spider and coil fixed ready. Now need to fix spider and the speaker body. I am cleaning the magnet hole using the paper. Now I am going to fix spider and speaker body. Spider and speaker body. I changed the paper, plastic paper. It doesn't matter, same paper, the only color change. Need to put glue here. I am going to mixing the glue again for the spider. We always have to take same quantity of glue, same quantity. Both glue will be same quantity. I am mixing the glue. I am putting glue to the spider. Use the glue every place, the corner. Also I am using to the speaker paper. Using to the speaker paper also. I have to put glue within 3 minutes because after 5 minutes later this glue will dry. After 5 minutes later this glue will be dry. This glue takes only 5 minutes. We have to put before 3 minutes after mixing. After mixing we can get only 3 minutes to put the glue. I think within one minute I finished to put all glue. Put nicely to the hole, and the coil loop must have to the socket, must have to the inside the socket. It's very important. The 4 paper are their same place. Need to press everywhere to fixing. also need to press to the paper. This glue will be dry within 5 minutes. 5 minutes ready. I am taking out the plastic paper. Look, the speaker is ready. The speaker is ready, almost ready. I need to connect the connection only. Both are ready. I show you only one, but I fixed both. Later I will fix another two. This two is ready. These two are ready. Now I am going to solder the connection. I am going to solder the connection, speaker connection. We have to solder it nicely, otherwise when the speaker playing, that time can be open out the loop. Always soldering nicely. Use lots of. One is ready, another one also need to connect the speaker loop. This one also same. Both speakers are ready. Now I have to put. I have to use a new cap. I have to use new cap. Another all things, all work are ready. Another all work is done. Only have to put the cap. This is the new cap. This cap are black. Before the cap was silver, now cap looks black. No problem. The works are same. Need the glue. I am using glue to the cap because I cannot put the glue to the paper. I have to use always you have to use to the cap. Put the cap in the middle. Put the cap in the middle. Same. I have the time already. I finished 2 minutes. I have another 1 minute to fix the cap. This glue will dry after 1 minute later. The glue going to dry. I have to fix it faster. I have to put on the middle. After 2 minutes later, it will dry. The speaker winding is ready. The speaker winding is ready. Now look, this is the best quality of speaker. This is the best quality of speaker.